Hi to my future self. Kamusta naman? I just wanna let you know na I am rooting for you. Sana na kuan na successful na kasi mong kinabuhi. Contented na ka. At the same time, natabangan na nimo ang imong mahal sa buhay o daghan na pud kang natabangan. Unta kanang mga achievement nimo serves as your beautiful memories. To my future self, na 10 years from now, pila naman akong edad, anak? I'm 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, 28 na akong edad. Unta, nahanap na nimo ang lalaki na para sa iyo. At nga makasama gyud nimo hanggang mapagtanda nimo na mag-love sa imuha unconditionally o one and only. Unta, love ka niya as much as you love him at the same time para kaya makasaba nimo ba mag-build og family. Unta, wala dili ka magbag-o sa imuhang dili ka magbag-o into a bad person, but into a better person lang. Unta, gwapa gyapon ka. Padayon gyapon dapat normal ra man jud na mag-lose man jud ka og friends or people, pero that's what life all about. People come and go, pero imo jud isulat sa imong utok na dili dapat ka mag-lose og interest sa yourself. Just keep on going. Stay smart, stay kind, loving, and beautiful person. Sana malive na nimo ang life that you want to become. So, your dream life, ganon. And unta, dili ka maabot sa wrong guy ba? Just like, sa imong mother, with your father, they're separated naman. So, for me, I guess, akong future self, ako rin yung may istorya nimo nga, you did good. Ako may istorya nimo kay gwapa kay ka. Unta, naka-build na kag business ha. Kamusta na yung business? Unta pod, magtarong ka sa mong life, imong mga manghod, imong mama, importante. Imo siyang mapasyal, imo siyang makuan. Nang love ni mo yung mama ba? Ganon. So, and also, karon I know nga, nag-working ko. And being a working student is so hard. Labi na gamay ra kay kog units. 15 units ra. Tapos, virtual kasagara. So, dili kay ko sigad to school. Mga 3 times a week kala jud siya. So, despite of that, I'm still happy and grateful. I'm still grateful, I guess, sa life that I have. Despite na usahay, kapit jud siya, like, tiring siya, pero kayanan ra gyud ako for sa computer and for my family. I know na you will be a good person in the future. Sa ako ang future. Unta, millionaire na ka. Mao ra gyud akong dream nimo maging millionaire ka, Ivan. Dili man ka maging millionaire, maging financially stable and daghan kag maila, daghan kag achievements sa imong life. Nang layo ka ug maabot pa. Like maabot ka sa mga lugar like the western, like dito sa Canada, sa America, Australia, mag-build kag business dito, and sa Manila, something like that. Mara gid ako ang wish ni. Mara gid akong wish ni maging successful kasi mo life at karon ako yung isulti ako true feelings. I'm not feeling well today because I feel so lonely. I have no one to talk to. But despite of that, I'm still keep on going. Bahalag boring in life. Busy, ganun. Makalimot na ako mag-enjoy. Okay lang. Maybe nara ko one day enjoy na ko sa akong life. Keep going po kasi mong life, ha. Love your family. Don't forget ni Boy Boy, ni Lebron, ni Apple, ni Rico, ni Mama, ni Uncle. And most importantly, ma-forgive na ni mo yung father. I know it's hard, but to forgive someone na nakapasakit yun si mo. Pero yun dapat we learn how to forgive someone. Tanaw man na ni mo college, kani nga course, Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor Business Management or Business Administration, major in Marketing, BSBA. Sana mahuman nimo daghan kag mamit nga mga business owners, mga CEOs, mga kanang mag-help nimo ba nga maka-build bitong business and how to make money, how to run a money, like cycle sa money na ganun kanang na nakay business like kanang rental lang ana then kanang taga-adlaw taga-months ka maka-receive og money and also unta mahuman imong thesis imong like first year, third year, second year, and fourth year maka-graduate yung kaban. Ikaw yun ang first daughter of your mother who finished your studies. And make your mama proud, make your family proud, most importantly, make yourself proud. And don't forget na mag-help other people and learn how to set boundaries for yourself. And then also, don't be a narcissistic person. And then also, gusto ko nga you serve as a good member sa uban tao. Maging kind ka sa uban. Hindi naman yung pretend lang, hypocrite, na something like that. Be true to yourself lang. Be authentic, be genuine, something like that. And papapar din yung panahon. Okay, unta gyud makita na ni may mong right person na ihatag ang love sa imo that you deserve. Okay? So whatever happens, it happens. Just continue to keep going. So mga message on future self. And that would be all. That would be all. Let me see my face. Bye bye. It's 2025.